Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
And once again, it's milk solids or mawa, the leftover residue of after making of ghee and butter. And what are we going to make this time? Well, it's parantha. It's going to be iron, protein, fiber, energy loaded and digestion facilitating, anti-cancer, immunity and vision boosting. But before that, Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Wash away our assumptions, presumptions and bestow us with clear vision of true knowledge and deep wisdom. And now look at this ingredients. Certainly it's not a waste and it must not be thrown away. Look at its nutritional value: protein, energy, fat, lactose, calcium, phosphorus, fiber. And look at these health benefits. You can stop the slides and go through in detail. And look at the culinary and industrial uses of this ingredient. Certainly not worth throwing away at all. And now for the recipe. Multigrain or whole wheat flour, you can use any. Desi ghee, pre-melted. Remember, Punjabi paranthas are best made in desi ghee. Carrots, iron loaded and vision boosting. And add them to the flour. Milk solids or mawa, as discussed earlier, add them to the flour also. Iron and antioxidants loaded jaggery, unprocessed cane or any natural or brown sugar. Add now rock, Himalayan black salt or any natural salt. Add it also to the flour mix. And digestion aiding antioxidant loaded aniseed or fennel. Add it too, and now mix a shade and add water from any natural source. Knead into a dough and cover and set aside till to be used. And in the meantime, set a tawa, hot plate or fry pan to preheat and divide the dough into equal balls and sprinkle flour, lots of flour. Take the balls one by one, sprinkle flour and roll the ball and smear with desi ghee. Crush the flattened dough ball again, roll it into a ball and again flatten it. Now, when done, place it gently on the hot plate or fry pan or tawa and let it cook. Let one side of it cook till color changes. Now flip and smear desi ghee and drizzle along the sides as well. Remember, Punjabi paranthas are best made in desi ghee. Now allow to cook and flip when the side is well cooked. And smear and drizzle desi ghee and cook till fragrance fills the air. Remember, Punjabi paranthas and desi ghee. Now continue flipping occasionally till both sides are evenly cooked. And when done, look at that. Ravishing, isn't it? Remove the parantha from the heat and serve the parantha with kheer, firni, rabdi or as Punjabis would, with curd, raita or anything of your choice.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.